back to the vlog, you guys. Just out here adventuring around Cape Breton Island. Seeing some beautiful sights. Enjoying the scenery. Alright, you guys. We're just here at the waterfall. So let's go check this out. We haven't been here before, so see if we can even make it down. I'm seeing footprints there, so there's definitely been people down here. Let's go check her out, you guys. Holy. See that? Down in there? Waterfall. Oh my, look at this footing. It's like I'm not the only one that slid down here. Thank God they got these ropes for you to drag your way down and up, I guess. Whatever. Definitely recommend holding on to the ropes. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. Stunning views. That. This is sick. This is something you don't normally see in the wintertime too, so. Well, I'll tell you, this is different to see in the winter. Last time I was here, it was summertime. Beautiful out. Look at that, you guys. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, isn't it? People are walking across here. Huh. You're going for it. Wow. That's the hill I gotta scale back up. So that should be interesting. This. Awesome, you guys. Awesome. Like, just to be here right now is good. Oh, someone had a fire here. Look. I was just thinking that too. Like, would this be a spot to camp or what? The sound of the waterfall. Like, look at this. How thick is that? I think it's pretty thick, you guys. Pretty thick. Well, there's a pretty cool little spot we found today. And that's what this channel is all about. It's all about the most random adventures. And, you know, I randomly thought, hey, why not go up here, check out the waterfall. Look at this, you guys. Old rope hanging there from people swinging off and into the water in the summertime. Crazy. I'm not that brave. And like I said, I got a different tripod. I'm going to order one online just because the price of them, I feel like you're better off just ordering one online. For the price I'd pay for one at Walmart, I can get one that's like twice the size on Amazon. So, or Temu. Temu's always good too. But let's see what kind of a shot we can get with this little tripod, you guys. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. It's so beautiful, peaceful. Hope you guys enjoying the vlog today. I'd say a little bit different than what we usually do, but this is getting kind of normal for us here on the channel, guys. So I know the camera doesn't do it justice, but it's like straight up, right? But yeah, this is the Gillis Lake Falls here in Cape Breton Island, Nova Scotia, Canada. And this is quite the busy spot in the summertime. Oh, the sound of the waterfall is just so peaceful, so beautiful. Hey there. We're just here enjoying the waterfall today, you guys. Beautiful, it's gorgeous. Yeah. I love it. I love it. Slowly going to be one of my new favorite places, I think. I mean, only a small waterfall too, but it is deep enough to swim in. So, all right, you guys, let's see if we can make it back up the hill. Definitely stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we'll be back here in the summertime and maybe I'll go for a swim here in the summertime. Fun fact, for the longest while, I was actually scared to go swimming. I had a bit of a phobia. When I was in the military years ago, during a training exercise, I had a bit of a mishap where I basically drowned a little bit. I guess I don't know how you could drown a little bit, but yeah, I started drowning. But they got me out and everything. I did end up passing out in that, and that's what I remember, waking up like, coughing the water up out of your lungs and stuff. But after that, for years, I didn't swim for years. But the past couple of years, I've been swimming and really enjoying it. I don't go out deep or anything, but something like this waterfall right here would be perfect for me, because it's not really that deep. It's a small swimming area. I got a bit of a phobia of water, and anyway, is what it is. Check that out, huh? The river going underneath. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Well, say goodbye to Gillis Lake Falls. We will be back. We will be back. It looks like somebody walked right across there. That's crazy. Because that's a river. Huh. I guess it was froze. What? Let's, oh my. It's no fun on the mountain. Now we got to do the trek up. What do you guys think? I think I'll be fine. I'm going to go this way. I think this is the way up. Or I'm stuck down here forever, guys. Thank God for these ropes they put in here, because you'd never make it up. And I'm doing it one hand with the camera in the other. This is sick. I'm becoming a real vlogger, you guys. What do you guys think of it? Hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs, my videos. Call them vlogs, but I guess. Hope everyone's enjoying it though, because I'm having a good time doing it. Making these videos. I really want to make more and more and more. Another fun fact for you guys today. Your boy's a little scared of heights, so I'm not going to look down. What do you guys think? You guys look down for me. How about that? How about I look on the camera, because it's not that bad. I know it's not even that high, but I still get nervous because your boy's not good with heights. Your boy's not good with heights. Wow, that was a lot easier coming back up. Coming back up's a lot easier. I was like sliding coming down. So, just for reference, you guys can see. The camera really doesn't do it justice, but it's very steep. A lot of standing dead trees there too, though. Okay, guys, let's make it back to the Jeep. And we'll continue on our adventure today. Today we're just kind of solo doing a random little adventures. Scoping out the scenery. Looks like we got some weather on the horizon. There's the fallen Didla, or standing Didla. It's being held up by that tree. That don't ever fall down on somebody. Oh my, if it ever did too. I'm getting away from that. Okay, guys. That was our first adventure for today. That was our first adventure. Going a different way today. There's the old GB. Oh. Well, you guys, that was fun. Not gonna lie, that was fun. And for anybody that's wondering, this is Gillis Lake Falls. Gillis Lake Falls. Right down in there. Beautiful little area, you guys. All right, come along. We're gonna go see what else we can see. Hey, and you guys, looks like the weather's coming in. We're supposed to get some flurries, maybe some rain, depending on what temperature it gets to. But looks like we got out of the woods just in time, so let's go see where else we can go check out, you guys, because if nothing else, Cape Breton Island is full of beautiful scenery pretty well everywhere we go. So follow along, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Like the video, and let's go see where we end up. Yeah, we should be coming up to the lake, Gillis's Lake, that feeds that waterfall here. Somewhere. Oh, yes, the lake looks like it's right in here somewhere, is it? Gillis Lake. I love how the lake like looks when it's froze over like that. It's gorgeous. Find the scenery out this way is just so beautiful. Private property, the old bungalows. People's property is beautiful. And that's basically what we want to do some days, have our own piece of property as well. Get a travel trailer, just an old trailer, something like that up there, you know. And yeah, go from there. Maybe even find a piece of property with like a bungalow on it already. So you guys, don't forget, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Smash that like button because we do all kinds of random adventures like this daily. And my upload schedule is going to be, I'll definitely get a video or two out for you guys weekly. And then just randomly on the weekends, but the daily content for myself is just a little bit too much on my own. So, all right, guys, let's see where we end up now. You guys see that rainbow on the camera? We gotta go find the pot of gold then. Where'd it go? It disappeared. I lost it. Oh, there it is. You guys can still see it in the camera. Cool. Alright, see where we end up today. Definitely a bit of snow on the trail. Look at this, isn't that nice? They leave poopy bags for you. This is nice. There's a bit of snow on the trails now compared to last time we were here. This goes into the river bank. We're going to check that out. Yeah, we'll go for a nice little hike here. Check out this river in here. Why not? It's also a beautiful trail in through here, you guys. So for anybody that's interested, Leeches Creek is where we're at. Look at this, looks like all the tracks there. Be nice if we could see a wascally wabbit or something, eh? Maybe, just maybe. And look at all the tracks. Lots of tracks through here too. We're coming up to the riverbank up here. Oh, look. You guys know what that is? That old man's beard. Green stuff, great for fire starter. Uh-oh. Starting to rain again, is it? Yeah, we might get rained out here. Good thing we're not too far away from the Jeep, because I really don't want to get soaked. I'll hunker down under a tree if I have to, because we're still going to go see this riverbank. I have to go see the river. Look at this little chairs there. Break spot. Yeah, this isn't a far walk either into here. See, we're at the riverbank already. So if you want to do this walk with your children, you can, easy. My kid's done this with me already, and he really enjoyed it. Ooh, looks like there's lots of snow going down there. Looks like someone attempted to walk down and came back up. Let's go, you guys, on our unorthodox adventure through the woods. You almost could use snowshoes. And see, look, somebody went to go down and they're like, yeah, F that. Why? Because you can't really. So the river's completely froze, is it? Well, you guys, I made it this far. I might as well go to the bottom, right? This trail was built for community use. Backcountry conditions exist. Use at your own risk. Copy that. He loves it. Thank you guys for building this. This is what keeps communities strong, you know, having places to go. There's a layer of ice underneath the snow. So this is the river. Whoa. Slippery as can be. Donated by Dave Gillis. Cool. Gillis Home Building Supplies. Nice. Well, this is the riverbank. Again, I don't know. No, that's weird. It looks like there's footprints here in this one spot. I don't know where the river bank is, and you know, so I'm not gonna. Oh, there's prints on the river. See that? Something was walking on there. Well, you guys, the rain's starting now, so I guess we'll venture our way back. I thought maybe we could see the... It's completely froze, so... Yeah, well, I guess we'll venture our way back up the mountainside here. This is where we were before. Remember, there's a path right here. We know this is the path because there's the bench over there. Go check that out for a second, guys. Bring it. There's really nothing to see over there. And then there's lots of snow and ice. And you know what, guys? I don't want to get a wet foot or fall, so yeah. Head back up now that I broke a path down. And you guys, I got to get my video edited. I made a new tarp shelter. So I'm going to work on that tonight, editing that video. I got hours upon hours of footage to go through, so it takes time. I've been slacking a little bit on the editing, but hey, I'll get there, you guys. I'm gonna have a killer video for you guys coming up very soon, so I'm gonna go back the way I came, though. That just loops around. Not really much farther of a distance, so. Temperature went up to about 2 degrees today, which is beautiful, especially for this time of year. Oh my, look at this yellow birch. Oh, look at all that fire starter. And see, generally that's the only stuff I would peel off for fire starter would be the stuff that's already fallen off. See, like that, like that. Like that. An old head told me one time if you rip it all off, like the stuff that's not ready to come off, you can potentially kill the tree. So I won't do that. I'll literally only take the stuff that's falling off because you're basically helping the tree at that point. I'll take that with me because you guys know I like my fires. The shelter and that. So it's always good to have. Oh my, there's tons there. There's so much fire starter, you guys. Same with that old man's beard. I don't know. Drop it in the comments below, you guys ever used that before. Between the birch and the old man's beard, the green stuff. I'm telling you, it's like throwing gasoline on a fire. It's kind of a bit of a hack, to be honest. Because using the birch bark, like it just lights up like crazy. Look at all this nice firewood in here. I know you can't camp in here, but hey, you could stealth camp if you wanted to. You know, have your backpack and some tarps, a tent, or even wait for everyone to leave type thing. And there's not many people up around here, because as you can see, my footprints were like the only fresh footprints here. These ones are all full of snow, so you know they've been here for a little bit, right? The rough times will pass. And trust me, speaking from experience, I try every day to live more positive and think positive. And it is very hard. But we're doing it, you guys. We're doing it. And see? And we're back out. Channel as well. maybe some fishing content in the future. But all right, guys, I'm gonna go back to the Jeep and see where we end up now. Okay, guys, this may be the end of the video for today. I got quite a bit of content filmed, so I guess we'll end it there. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next one, guys.